Hey guys, so I have a quick unboxing first look at this pair of gaming headphones. It's kind of camouflage style, so it's an interesting take on a traditional gaming headset. So here on the back of the box you can see the model number, the impedance, and the sensitivity, the frequency range, all of that right here. Not the best style of font or the color because it really camouflages into this camouflage styled box. But there it is. This is around, if I remember correctly, it was around $30 on Amazon, which is a reasonable price for something like this. So let's just go ahead and open it out of the box. So here we are. Let's double check there's nothing else in the box. So it looks like I don't see any. Oh, there it is. Some paperwork. Let's see what else it has. It's a fold-out pamphlet style user guide. It's pretty straightforward. You can see there are a split cable, which is pretty common for these types of gaming headsets. It shows you how to set it up with, say, the Xbox One versus a PC. Not too sure why there's a huge difference though in a PS4. So I guess there's maybe just to be a little bit more clear on how to set it up with different types of systems. So here we go. Let's go ahead and take this out of the wrapping. Okay. So I'm not a gamer myself, so I'm probably not the most qualified to actually do a kind of review on this. So this is why this is kind of more of a first impressions. I'll be handing it off to somebody who is qualified to review something like this. But basically, as I can tell, I'm more of the engineering type, so I take a look at the build materials, how thought out their design is, how well it's competitively priced or not. So taking a look at it, the design, it is pretty much all plastic with fabric pads up here at the top and the ear pads, which I don't think is the best choice just because you probably wouldn't get real sweaty, and I think having cloth right next to your ears is not the best idea, but that's just first impressions. And the microphone is also pretty easy to use. It's a little flexible here, so you don't worry about it snapping or anything like that. It has nice resistance. Camouflage design is throughout and it's not too bad. Feels pretty sturdy for the most part. The band is metal. It's have a good heft to it, but the foam pads feel pretty comfortable here. So you got a little bit of a warning sticker in the ear cups stuck there. And we also have the microphone right here. You can turn it on and off, built onto the line, which is not detachable, which you can see here. And then it has the regular 3.5mm headphone jack on the other end. And that appears to be it. The actual cable itself is woven like a string, so it definitely is like a braided cable design, so it's a little bit more able to resist tears as opposed to just a plastic film over it, so that's appreciated. I do have another set of cables right here if you needed to split off the audio and microphone features. Right here you can see, you can just plug this in here and you can split it off as needed depending on your gaming system. So there we go. It would have been nice if this cable kind of matched with the rest, just kind of a stark contrast there. But that's it. This is just a quick unboxing first look. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. So when I get my friend who's going to review this for me, they can go ahead and address those questions in the review. So thanks for watching, guys.